Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice simplification problem that is square root of 2 minus 1 whole to the power 12. So we have to simplify this. So first of all we are going to just suppose that, let us suppose this expression that is square root of 2 minus 1 is equal to x. So let's say it is our equation number 1. So if x is equal to this one, and here it is power of 12, so we have to find first x to the power 12. Here we have to find the x to the power 12. So for this purpose we are going to just write x is equal to, here this square root 2 minus 1 can also be written as, if we just shift this minus 1 to our right hand side, then it will be x plus 1. Now x plus 1 is equal to square root of 2. Here we are going to take square on both hand side. So taking square, then we will get x plus 1 whole squared is equal to square root of 2 whole squared. Now our next step is, as we know that by algebraic identity, here we just use that if we have a plus b whole squared, then it is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. Then it will be x squared plus 1 squared, that is equal to 1, and plus 2 times x, which is equal to, cancelling square with square root, we get 2. Now by rearranging, then we have x squared is equal to, shifting these two terms, then we get to this plus 1 will be minus 1 and plus 2x will be minus 2x. Now here we have x squared is equal to 2 minus 1, we get 1 minus 2 times x. So it is equal to, let's say it is our equation number 2. Now we have two equations. So if we just take again the square of this equation 2, so x squared is equal to 1 minus 2 times x. So taking square on both hand side, here we will get x squared whole squared will be x to the power 4 is equal to, here 1 minus 2x. So as we know that if we have a minus b whole squared, then it is equal to a squared plus b squared and minus 2 times a times b. So here it will be 1 squared, that is 1, and plus 2 times x whole squared and minus 2 times 1 times 2x. Now our next step will be x to the power 4 is equal to 1 squared is 1 plus 2x whole squared will be 4x squared and minus 2 times 2 is 4x. So here we have x to the power 4 is equal to, if we just write 1 and this minus 4x here, so here we will get 4x squared. So plus 4 times the value of x squared from equation 2, we see that x squared is equal to 1 minus 2x. So putting here, then we get 1 minus 2x. Now our next step will be x to the power 4 is equal to 1 minus 4x plus 4 times 1 is 4 plus time minus minus 8x. So here we have x to the power 4 is equal to, now here 1 plus 4 is 5 and minus 4x minus 8x, we will get minus 12x. So here x to the power 4 is equal to 5 minus 12x. Let's say it is our equation number 3. Now we have to take square again. So here x to the power 4 is equal to 5 minus 12x. Now taking square on both hand side, so it will be x to the power 4 to the power 2 will be 4 times 2 is 8 is equal to, now it is a minus b whole squared, so it will be 5 squared and plus 12x x whole squared and minus 2 times 5 times 12x. Now our next step will be, here x to the power 8 is equal to 5 squared is 25 plus 12 square is 144 x squared, and minus, here we get 12 times 5 is 60 times 2 is 120 x. Now our next step will be, so here x to the power 8 is equal to 25. If we just write minus 120x here, and this x squared, we know that this x squared is actually, it is equal to 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 2x from equation number 2. So here we have x to the power 8 is equal to 25 minus 120x plus 144 times 1 is 144 plus time minus is minus 144 times 2, then we get 288x. So here we have x to the power 8 is equal to that 25 plus 144, we get 169, and minus 120x minus 288x will be 408x. So let's say it is our equation number 4. Now if we see this equation, that equation number 3, it is our equation number 3 and it is our equation number 4. So equation number 3, the left hand side of equation number 3 is x to the power 4, and here we have x to the power 8. So when we multiply these two equations, we get x to the power 12 as we required. So we are going to just multiply equation number 3 and equation number 4. So now equation number 3 is multiplied by equation number 4, then we get that x to the power 4 times x to the power 8 is equal to, the right hand side of equation 3 is 5 minus 12x, and right hand side of equation 4 is 169 minus 408x. Now we have to multiply this one. So here x to the power 4 times x, as bases are same, powers will be added, so we get x to the power 12, which is equal to 5 times 169. So here we just write 5 times 169 plus time minus is minus 5 times, here we have 408x. Similarly, minus 12x times 169 minus 12x times 169, and here minus time minus is plus 12x times 408x. Now our next step will be x to the power 12 is equal to, here we have 5 times 169, so we get 845, minus 5 times 408, we get 2040x, and minus 12x times 169, we have 2028x, and plus here we have 12 times 408, so we have 4896. X times x is x squared. Now if you put the value of this x squared here, so we have x to the power 12 is equal to 845. Here we have 845, and minus adding these two, then we get 4058x, and plus 4896 times this x squared is equal to 1 minus 2x according to equation number 2. So here we have x to the power 12 is equal to, now 845 minus 4058x plus 4896 times 1 is 4896, and minus 4896 times 2, we get 9792x. Now we have to just add like terms, so we get x to the power 12 is equal to, here we have 845 plus 4896, then we get 5741, minus time minus is plus, so we just put symbol of minus here. 4058x minus 9792x, we get 13860 x. Now here we have the value of x to the power 12. So if we are going to just recall our equation number 1, so recalling our equation 1, as we know that equation 1 is given by square root of 2 minus 1 is equal to x. It is our equation number 1. So x is equal to here x is equal to square root of 2 minus 1. Now as x is equal to square root of 2 minus 1, so whole to the power 12, it is equal to, that is we get the answer this one. So 5741 minus 13860, and here we have x, so the value of x is square root of 2 minus 1. Now square root of 2 minus 1 whole to the power 12 is equal to 5741 minus, multiplying this one into parentheses, so we get 13860 times square root of 2, and minus time minus is plus 13860. Now our final step will be, here we have square root of 2 minus 1 whole to the power 12 is equal to, here we will get this 5741 adding with 13860, then we get 19601 minus, here we have 13860 times square root of 2. So it is our final value of square root of 2 minus 1 whole to the power 12. It is simplified form, and it is our final answer. Now we are going to just review our problem step by step. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.